How to plan your day like a CEO. Have you ever wondered how top CEOs manage their time so effectively? How they juggle massive responsibilities, make high-impact decisions, and still have time for personal life? The secret isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. In this video, I'll walk you through a detailed, powerful CEO-style daily plan that you can apply right away to maximize productivity and take control of your time. Let's dive in. 1. The CEO mindset. The first step to planning your day like a CEO is adopting their mindset. Here's how they think about time differently. 1. Prioritize outcomes over tasks. CEOs focus on what truly moves the needle, not just staying busy. 2. Guard their time relentlessly. Every minute is valuable, so they eliminate distractions. 3. Delegate and automate. They don't try to do everything themselves. They focus on high-level decisions. 4. Energy management over time management. The key isn't working more hours but using energy efficiently. Now, let's talk about how they actually structure their day. 2. Structuring your day. CEOs don't leave their schedules to chance. They follow a structured routine to maximize their efficiency. Here's a breakdown of a high-performance daily schedule. Morning routine. Most successful people start their day early and with purpose. Here's a proven morning formula. Wake up early 5 o'clock a.m. to 6:30 a.m. The world is quiet, and it's the best time for deep work. Exercise and mindfulness 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. A quick workout and meditation boost energy and focus. Planning and priority review 7:30 a.m. to 8 o'clock a.m. Reviewing the top 3 key tasks for the day. Time blocking and prioritization. CEOs use time blocking to stay in control. Here's how you can do the same. Deep work block 8 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m. Tackle your most important task with 0 distractions. Meetings and communication 10 o'clock a.m. to 12 p.m. Batch meetings and emails together to stay focused. Lunch and mental reset 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Take a break, step away from work, and recharge. 3. Decision-making and time management. CEOs don't waste time on small decisions. They minimize decision fatigue by automating routine choices, like having a go-to breakfast or outfit to save mental energy. The Eisenhower matrix, categorizing tasks into urgent, important, not urgent, etc. Batching similar tasks, answering emails, calls, and admin work in dedicated blocks. The 80-20 rule. Pareto principle, focusing on the 20% of activities that drive 80% of results. By simplifying decisions, you free up more brainpower for high-impact work. 4. Optimizing productivity. Productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing the right things efficiently. CEOs apply these key methods. Single tasking over multitasking. Focusing on one thing at a time boosts efficiency. Using the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Leveraging technology and assistance. Tools like Notion, Asana, and virtual assistants streamline tasks. 5. Evening routine and work-life balance. Even the busiest CEOs know the importance of winding down. Here's how they optimize their evenings. Unplug before bed. Reducing screen time improves sleep and mental clarity. Reflect and plan for tomorrow. Writing down key wins and setting next day priorities. Personal time and hobbies. Making time for family, reading, or creative activities. Quality sleep matters. CEOs aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of rest. Conclusion and call to action. So, there you have it, a detailed, powerful way to structure your day like a CEO. Start small, implement just 1 or 2 of these habits and build from there. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and let me know in the comments, what's one thing you'll change in your daily routine starting tomorrow? See you in the next video.